Hey, it's Joaquin, and welcome back to Science and Beyond. Today is the part 2 video of our paper rockets, and we're going to be shooting them at an incline. Make sure to like and subscribe so you can watch out for part 3, where we'll be shooting paper rockets horizontally and at cardboard. Let's jump right into it. Paper rocket launch test 5, now at an incline to shoot through the trees.
Instead of putting no trees.
Exactly. So the problem we had with one of our first successful tests was that it went straight up and just disappeared. We never saw it again. Ready?
Yeah.
Now, hopefully this won't have that problem. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, I see it.
Oh, yeah.
It worked. Yay. Let's go check it.
It successfully, Lorena, don't. It successfully landed. Barely hit the tree.
Yeah, and then it came down.
Paper rocket test 6. We are shooting at an incline and we moved it a little so it won't hit the tree. The last test was successful, although it did nip the tree, which I think made it slightly less, not as successful as it could have been. It's coming.
Go. Okay, that one broke.
Paper rocket launch 7. Using the same rocket as paper rocket launch 6. The problem we had was we think there was too much leakage. It wasn't sealed
Okay, ready?
enough, so we taped it up. 3, 2, 1. Holy cow! That is our farthest rocket. It went past the trees into the front yard. I don't know if it got stuck in the tree or not. Oh my. It went past this tree, through this tree branches, into our front yard, and here we are. Paper rocket launch test 8. Now we're trying with one of the rockets I made. The past 2 have been my sister's. What do we at?
40, come on.
3, 2, get out of the way. 1. Oh, we just straight up blew the top off.
Whoa.
Unsuccessful.
Okay.
Rocket launch test 9. We're using one of my rockets again, a different one, because in test 8 the cap blew off. This might be because it was so sealed, or because it was too snug a fit on the PVC pipe. Okay, we're ready.
3, 2, 1.
Well, it exploded. Paper rocket launch test 10. And we're gonna again try to use one of my rockets. The past 2 have been unsuccessful, and we think it was because they were sealed up too much. 3, 2, 1.
See, I think we should
That
get
one-
less PSI.
I think that one just hit the house. That one was successful. Alright, paper rocket test 11?
Yeah, 11.
11.
This time we're actually gonna do less PSI to see.
What is the PSI?
It's like 30.
Okay, test it.
3, 2, 1.
Well, that was successful. Alright, paper rocket test 12. An update on test 11 was that though we thought it was successful, the nose blew off and one of the fins was damaged.
So we're trying it with regular PSI now, 40.
3, 2, 1.
This is test number 13 of paper rockets, and this time we're doing it without the nose, just with
A duct tape seal.
come close,
3,
but
2, 1. That worked well, except for the fact that it exploded.
yeah, that's true. Okay, let's go check it out. So we're going, and
You see, it looks like it compressed upon itself
yeah.
and ripped a hole in its side. So in conclusion, we found that the loosest fitting rockets to the PVC tube were the best flyers. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like, and like I said before, subscribe if you want to see more. I think I have some really cool stuff coming, and I hope you all will like it. If you want to watch the part 1 of Paper Rockets, I'll probably put it over here somewhere, over here. And if you want to subscribe, it'll also be around here somewhere. So just click that and watch out for new stuff soon. Thanks for watching.